Calm. Yo, wanna share the live. So first of all, I'd like to apologize to the fans who witnessed my previous behavior on the previous live. But I want to really explain what took place this morning. So I'm gonna share up the live. Alright, so this morning I got up and ordered breakfast at a restaurant called Cafe Express. It's in Ocharius at the Taj Mahal Plaza. Anybody at Ochi, anybody who live at Ochi know the plaza, they say. This morning, after I arrived at the restaurant, I was looking for a parking space and couldn't find any. Bear in mind, this is my first time at the restaurant and me never know where it is. So I was looking for a parking, and while parking, 2 security guards ran down on me with guns, threatening me, asking me what the reason for my day. So ray bugger thing, till it all lead to the point where they must start disrespect me and talk about suck father, ray bugger thing. So me I say, yo, or the first me I see this, them a come talk about me pull up in a Benz, in a dark Benz, I spin around parking lot. I look for parking and this and that on some intimidation thing. So leave make that face me. So I walk upstairs, I try to look for the restaurant, see me, and then these 2 security guards, I don't even know if a security for the plaza or anything, cause them never in a uniform or anything, but they kept on following me, threatening me about oh them are gonna shoot me in the face, ray, this and that. So this morning when everybody saw me on the live acting the way I was acting, that was the reason. So I just want to make it public, say I'm being targeted when I go outside in public. You see me? That's the reason why I came on live to address this situation. Everybody was texting me, asking me if I'm good, my gov and everything gov, but may I make it known publicly, say I'm being threatened, I'm being harassed by the public for no reason. Don't know what the reason is, but yeah, that was the reason. So everybody on the live, govern say me I'm there. You see me? But yeah, one UTG, make sure to share up the live. I be a bad mind people out there, but them can't stop it. You see me? ISIS fully can't stop greatness. So the first me I see this year run down on car, you go threaten me, ask me what the reason why I'm there. Harass me and this bagger fuckery I come talk about. Suck father. So I just want to make it known, say I'm being harassed, being threatened, but they are seeing me, you see me? They are seeing me. So I'm just come on the live, clear up everything, and once again I apologize for the previous behavior on the first live. And yeah.